it's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Money Dogs. So today we are going to be talking about Money Dogs listing price, vesting, and everything. Money Dogs. So firstly, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and of course use the link in the description and join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything airdrop. So going straight to the video right now. So as you can see, I just opened my app, and after analyzing, I don't really know what they did, so I clicked on withdraw. They showed something like analyzing, and they said, congratulations Emanes, you are a proud silver member of Money Dogs. Whatever that is, I don't understand. So I click on continue. So of course, let me just show you my balance firstly. Let me go to home. So I have a total of 3.4 million Mdogs. Basically, I put a lot of money. I didn't actually fund the project. I had to like put money into it to see if something will come out, but unfortunately nothing came out. Basically, after clicking on this join TG box, whatever the nonsense they did, all I got was 1,000 something. So let me just show you guys something. Let's go to this unlock Mdogs. As you can see, this is their plan. They locked my token after I bought my super pass and everything. They locked my token for a year. Money Dogs, what I do now? They locked my tokens for a year. Money Dogs, what did I do to you? I spent money to get this, and they locked it without even giving me any extra bonus or any extra vesting percentage or APY. Wow, this is very bad. This is very bad. And after promising that if you buy the super pass, you get, even people that bought VIP pass, I just feel sad for them because it's really bad. It's very, very bad. If you check this now, you see that I have this super pass logo at the top and nothing is coming out. And thank God for Telegram, of course. So Ton has recently made an announcement. I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So if you come to Pavel Durov's channel, Pavel Durov, of course, is the owner of Telegram, and of course I guess you should know that by now. So he made this announcement. It's the owner of Telegram, and Ton, it's under Telegram. It was actually meant to be Telegram Open Network, but it's now the Open Network. So he made an announcement that all projects that are going to be listed on Telegram or mining all the many apps on Telegram have to list before the 21st of February, or else if they are not going to be listing on Ton, all of them have to. Let me just show you that on X, since I can't find that here. All right, this is from the horse's mouth. They said all mini apps on Telegram will now be exclusive. Use Ton as their blockchain. You remember what Tom Market did? You remember what Menfi did? You remember what Seed rather is doing currently? I did a video on Seed covering all the nonsense that they have been doing recently. I just hope they list well with their 1 billion total supply. Hopefully they will do well, because I actually invested a couple of things into that. I criticize projects when they mess up. Of course I will do that. That's my job. And I'm not one of those your influencers that will sugarcoat everything for you, that will be telling you that W coin tissue paper isn't a tissue paper. It's actually a tissue paper, and it's a joke. It's a joke. I'm not saying you should panic. It's a joke. And for a project to be doing that is very bad. I understand it's a meme coin, but it's a way. The way they behave sometimes, it's awful. People are investing into these projects hoping for financial return. So they said if they are not listing on Ton, they should migrate by 21st, or they will leave the Telegram. They will be removed from Telegram. These TG mini apps and now that. So a lot of these mini apps just want to use Ton to farm their community and then run to other blockchain like Sui, like the way Menfi did Sui, and Tom Market. What's the name of that? Aptos. Yes. So let me just do some analysis. Of course, Money Dogs is still listing on the 23rd of this month, which is tomorrow, 23rd. But there has been no announcement of the total supply. And you know Money Dogs is backed by Bitgate, and Bitgate is a very bad exchange. I have to be very serious with that. It's a very bad exchange. I have had a couple of losses with Bitgate because of their, I don't know if it's their network of their server, it just automatically, or maybe the AI that they use to set up trades. So I'm going to be doing an analysis with the total supply of 2 trillion, since they have not made an official announcement yet. So with the total supply of 2 trillion, it means that with this balance that I'm getting, on an average, Telegram projects invest a maximum of $25, or sometimes it might get to 30. So let's just say $25 was put into this project times the 2 trillion total supply. To calculate for this FDV, which is the fully diluted valuation. So what I'm going to get here, is this is a billion, 1, 2, 3. So now this is a trillion. You can see the number of zeros. This will be the listing price at that point. You can see the number of zeros here. That will be the listing price. With 2 trillion, that will possibly be the listing price. But now, since they are locking a lot of this thing and the circulating supply will be reduced, so we will no longer use FDV, we'll now use the market cap. I will discuss this in my community, so if you haven't joined, kindly use the link in the description and join. So let's assume the market cap that they will put in will now be $20 million plus investors and everything. It will now reduce to $20 million, and the circulating supply will now be around 1 trillion instead of the 2 trillion. I don't know how they got that value, but let's just move with it. 1 trillion. So this is 1 trillion. This will now be the listing price. This, of course, will be the listing price, which is fairly good. And let's say my 245 tokens will be released for me on that day. By next month, I will get about $4.9. Then for 12 months, let's say the price kind of remains stable or it keeps on rising, I'll get about $58 total. So I'm not saying this to say this will be the listing price. It might be better, it might be worse. So just expect anything and enjoy the rest of your day. Telegram are making some adjustments to reduce the number of scam projects that are listed on their blockchain, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, of course. And anything that I missed in the video, you can remind me of it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Enjoy.